When it comes to growing your natural hair, one thing we can all agree on is the fact that it's not every time that you're going to feel motivated to care for your hair. It's not every time that you're going to be pumped up with energy to do an entire wash day and then follow up with a protective style. And the truth is, for me, this entire session was one of those times. Now, you'll not believe that I've been putting off washing my hair for almost an entire month. Now, this is rare for me, but it does happen from time to time. And so the last time that I washed my hair was almost a month before now. And even at that, by the time I got around to washing this hair at this time, I had thought that I was going to be able to do a hot oil treatment like I normally do for my pre-poo, and then take my time to shampoo my hair, condition the hair, and pamper the hair. But that's not what happened, and I ended up rushing through the entire thing, from the shampoo to the moisturizing to the blow drying and then the protective styling. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact routine that I follow whenever I don't have enough time to split my hair care into 2 days. For context, I usually split my hair care into 2 days. The first day is for washing, deep conditioning, moisturizing, and blow drying or straightening the hair, while the second day is spent doing my protective style that is going to last for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Now, you can definitely do it this way if you have a very busy schedule, and there are people who actually have to do it this way because their schedules are incredibly busy. It's just that if you are somebody that has to rush through your wash day almost every other week that you care for the hair, you have to at least set aside one weekend or one day of the week in a month that you do an intensive hair care session, so that you do your hair treatment and you do deep cleansing, as well as properly conditioning and moisturizing your hair and whatever else you need to do. This is very, very important. A few pointers to help you speed up your wash day and styling and hair care in general when you want to squeeze everything into 1 day. Make sure you work with a shampoo and conditioner that cleans your hair thoroughly, as well as condition the hair properly, help you detangle easily, and feed moisture back into your hair. For this session, I used my brown, so I used the shampoo and conditioner. The cleanser, which is the shampoo, actually gave me a thorough cleanse and I was very pleased. I had to shampoo my hair twice because I hadn't washed in almost a month, but I was very satisfied with the cleanse and it didn't leave my hair feeling stripped out. And for the conditioner, I was able to comb out my hair, see how little the breakage I got is. After that, I left the product in my hair for 5 minutes because it said if I'm going to be using the product as a co-wash, that's the conditioner, I should go ahead and leave it in the hair for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover the hair with a heating cap or a shower cap for extra heat, which I did before rinsing the product out. So that was just 2 steps for this exact wash day, and I was just testing my scalp here to see if everything was good, in order, and my scalp was clean, and I was actually very satisfied. You can see how moisturized my hair looks. This was a definite good choice. Now I moved into the moisturizing, and for moisturizing, where I usually spend a lot of time pampering my hair, parting it into sections, making sure that everything is very, very balanced. All of the sections are almost the same size. I didn't have any time for that today. So I first of all applied some leave-in conditioner to the entire back section of the hair. I parted the hair into 4 from when I finished the conditioner. So I just left it in the 4 sections, and I started off by applying leave-in to the entire section, which made up 1/4. And then I parted that into smaller sections. Now it's easier to do it this way instead of cutting the hair into little sections before applying the leave-in. Applying to an entire section means you've already added some product, so it's easier to distribute more product to the smaller sections you part, and it takes less time. That's the way that I do it. So I repeated this for the entire 4 sections before I now parted into smaller sections to also make it easier for me to comb through each section for the final round of detangling. Now, if you're not familiar with me, this exact Mazuri leave-in conditioner that I use works amazing for my 4C hair, low porosity hair. It's what I have been using for some time now. With this leave-in conditioner, I find that I'm able to apply the product to my hair without needing to load up oils and butters to seal, and the hair will still feel properly moisturized without feeling dried out after a few days. And to finish that up, I applied some oil to my scalp and I did a light massage before going into blow drying my hair. Now, I did the blow dry immediately after the moisturizer. I didn't even stand up from this place. I usually sat down here and finished everything before I moved into doing the protective style. I pretty much followed the exact same steps that I do for my wash days. It's just that instead of dividing the entire session into two different days, I squeezed everything into wash day, a few hours if we're being honest, because from washing my hair to doing the moisturizing and then the blow drying, I spent about 2 hours, which for me is record time compared to a normal wash day where I do it in slow mode, take my time, calm down, put on some music, and do the washing to moisturizing to blow drying to even the protective styling, just slow and steady. Now I can spend hours doing something like this, and it's very okay for me because I also use that time to relax and properly decompress. But like I said, it's not every time that I have time to do all of that. When there is need for hurry, I hurry and get everything done. It's just that I try my very best to make sure that it's not every wash day that I do in a hurry. And it's also important to note this. For my blow drying, I follow the exact same steps that I do when I blow dry. Now, I have said this before. It is important for me to blow dry now because I can't wait 24 to 48 hours for my hair to air dry anymore. That just takes a lot of time. So this was me in the salon, still later in the day. I'm just loosening the hair that I had blow dried earlier here. After loosening this, I got right into doing my protective style. And for this protective style, I picked cornrows, so just plain cornrows. But we added a little braiding hair to make them last a little longer, so I didn't have to redo them after about a few days or 1 week max. So I just did this and allowed the hairdresser do her thing. She was working on hair that I blow dried already, so it was easier for her. I like to blow dry my hair in the house before going to the salon to get it done, so that they don't rough handle my hair when they are trying to blow dry. In the salon, they have this habit of blow drying the hair without applying product, and I never do a protective style without applying product. That's just me, but some people don't mind allowing the people in the salon to do whatever it is they want to their hair without paying attention. When I'm in the salon, when I'm getting my hair done, I am paying attention. I am making sure that they are doing what is going to help me, because this hair is not something that I grew overnight. And like I tell them, if they rough handle my hair in the salon, if I was rough handling my hair at home, they will not be seeing the hair to rough handle in the salon whenever I come in there. That's just it. So I'm always very meticulous when it comes to watching them care for my hair. And if I don't like anything that they're doing, I tell them to undo it and we do it to my taste. Because another thing is, I also pay money to get this thing done, and I usually pay whatever it is they request without trying to cut down the price. That's just me. I always encourage people to pay attention to what they're doing in the salon, so that you come out with your hair intact at the end of the day. These are the guys that braid my hair every single time, and when they finish braiding my hair and I wear the style for however many number of weeks I choose to go for, when I come out of the style, I have my edges intact, I have my hair intact, everything is intact, and I can still come back to do another protective style. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. By the way, I'm going to leave the link to my intensive 30-day or 1 month hair growth workshop, which you can join. It begins in about 3 days on the 1st of April for the April cohort. We will definitely have a May cohort, but in case you want to sign up for April own, make sure you tap that link and sign up. And if you're not going to be able to make it to April, make sure you sign up or prepare for May. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.